Here we go, HOBBYBOX604 back with another break. Sunday, August 31st. We are opening our second case of Panini National Treasures Hockey. The dice determined this is the case for the upcoming breaks. This is group break number 81, which is a single box team select. We're gonna open the case, take the boxes out, number them, and see which goes for this break. So here we go. Good luck. Empty. Okay, so we're gonna flip them. Okay, so we are gonna have box 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's kind of hard to see it, but it is there. We're gonna determine if 5 or 6 shows in this dice. Obviously we'll throw it again, but 1, 2, 3, 4 shows. That is the box for group break 81. Let's see what the dice says. Box 1. Let me show YouTube camera as well. Box 1. So box 1 is for GB 81. So 2, 3, and 4 left, which will be determined after when we do the other ones. Okay. That is, put these back here. Perfect. That goes there. So the teams for this group break 81 is Ernie has Anaheim, CZ has Arizona, J-Li has Boston, Peter L has Buffalo, Josh F has Calgary, Christopher M has Carolina, Corey R has Chicago, Mizi has Colorado, Ken has Columbus, Derek has Dallas, Anthony has Detroit, Bobby has Edmonton, Eric has Florida, Derek has LA, Pat S has Minnesota, Andrew M has Montreal, Jim G has Nashville, Eric S has New Jersey, Denny has Denny W has Islanders, Derek W has Rangers, Mike N has Ottawa, Chris P has Philadelphia, David M has Pittsburgh, Ken H has San Jose, Ian M has St. Louis, Ernie has Tampa, Samuel has Toronto, Derek W has Vancouver, Robert R has Washington, and Dom S has Winnipeg. Good luck, guys. And now we do the box. Here we go. Group break 81. Box of 13-14 National Treasures Hockey. Am I off air, guys? Can someone confirm if they could see or hear me? Are we good? Okay. Player Slayer, just refresh, I guess. Empty box. Okay. Good luck, guys. Let's pull a monster. We need a monster. Okay. These are not where they're supposed to be. Okay, here we go. First card is a base card for Anaheim Ducks, 178 of 199, Jonas Hiller. For the LA Kings, we have a dual mem auto of Rogie Vachon. Rogie Vachon for the Los Angeles Kings. Old school jersey. For the Boston Bruins, we have a dual autograph gold version, number to 25, Ryan Spooner and Jerome Igilna. Number 8 of 25, Spooner and Igilna. For the Nashville Predators, we have a timeline die cut, number 99 of 99, Magnus Hellberg. 99 of 99, Magnus Hellberg. 1 of 1, I guess. eBay 1 of 1. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, we have a Colossal Prime version, number 17 of 25, Ryan Murray. For the Calgary Flames, number 86 of 99, Knights in the City, Joe Nieuwendyk and Sean Monahan. Number 86 of 99. We have a Crazy 8, I guess. Yeah, Crazy 8s for the Colorado Avalanche. Nice. Crazy 8s, Joe Sakic, Milan Hajduk, Paul Stastny, Semyon Varlamov, Matt Duchene, Gabriel Landeskog, Nathan McKinnon, and Calvin Pickard. Nice card. No random here, all for Colorado. 11 of 50. Is that any of the players' numbers? Can't remember on top of my head. For the Montreal Canadian Rookie Riches, number 48 of 99, Alex Galchenyuk. Number 48 of 99, Alex Galchenyuk. Oh, nice. For the Buffalo Sabres, we have Rookie Treasures, Rookie Patch Auto, Tag version. Number 4 of 5, Mikhail Grigorenko. Mikhail Grigorenko. Number 4 of 5. The Crazy 8s was all Colorado. Our first plate is for the New York Islanders. Oh, it's a rainbow of Islanders, Brock Nelson. Nice. That's pretty cool. For the Islanders, Brock Nelson. Black, cyan, magenta, and yellow plate for the Islanders. And our last card is a redemption NHL Gear autograph card number 15, Dave Andreychuk. My bad for not knowing the checklist. I will definitely check on that and see where Dave Andreychuk, what team he is with. So we'll do that, and it will go to the right owner. Thanks for watching, guys. We have our other boxes coming up next. Thank you.